Talk to me. What? Say hey. You need to move that mouth. Move that mouth. Say what? Mama. Mama. I know I'm being silly. Mama. Not just making noises, but that's a start. I swear I think you're doing that out of your nose, because that's where the sounds like it's coming from, and you keep blowing snot out of your nose. You're supposed to talk through your mouth, not your nose. And it's going to do that with that pinhole on the other side. It's going to sound like a whistle. Your eyes are still dilated from going to the doctor today too. Come on, wake up some. You're looking at the light on the camera. Wake up! Wake up! Quit zoning out on me. Yeah. Hello? Hello?